What's going on, people? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Honor 10. So this is another affordable smartphone with great specs. Again, we'll go through that very quickly in a second, but let's unbox it, see what's inside. Roughly, very quickly, this will set you back about £399. It comes in a key color of blue, which I'll show you guys as well. This phantom blue color looks amazing. I'm out here in Portugal. I'm going to be taking loads of pictures with this and showing you guys what this thing can do. It's got dual camera set up, got 24 megapixel monochrome and a 16 megapixel RGB sensor there at f1.8. So you should get really good pictures out here, even in low light as well. So this is AI camera as well, meaning it will be able to detect the surroundings, so you know you'll be able to know what kind of pictures to take in terms of settings and tweaking it to make sure it looks the best that it can. The menu's just a typical EMUI software on there. Got a few bloatware already installed on there, like games that you might not even want to play, but I guess you can uninstall those. What else do we have here? The gallery, got smart gallery, so it puts things in the right places. You got auto syncs with Huawei, which is also Honor, as you may know. Let's put that down for a second. And in camera as well, I noticed they have this new mode. If you go into photo here, there's more. There's AR lens, so you can put objects in places, or like put it on your face, like a bit like Snapchat filter. Got 3D creator in there, which is pretty cool. HDR mode as well, pro mode, so you can do manual settings. Pretty neat that they've got that in this handset that costs next to nothing as well. So just put that away and just look around the device a bit more. You got a nice fingerprint sensor there that's kind of built into the display itself, which is pretty cool. I really like that. You got a big chin at the bottom of it there, and then if you go to the top, we got that famous popular notch that everyone likes. Let's have a look in settings, see if you can take that off, like some of the other devices out there today. So here we are. So you got the notch, which you can take off as well. You can hide it, which is puts a black bar there, or you can leave it as default, which is something I think I'll just do. Just leave it there as it is. Doesn't really matter. At the top, there's a front-facing camera there, which is 24 megapixel, and then on the back, you got this nice blue glass, 3D glass, Gorilla Glass 5 here. AI camera logo there, that's new as well from Honor. They've never actually put that on their phone, but I'm guessing they're really pushing that. Got your dual lens setup, a monochrome and color as well, f1.8 aperture with flash. And besides that, it just looks really nice when it shimmers as well against that sunlight. You got your volume rocker there and power button. It's dual SIM setup, or you can put a micro SD card in there if you like. You got USB-C port there, headphone jack, great that they left that there, and speaker grill there. And at the top, you got your infrared blaster as well, so those people who really like to use that stuff for controlling their stuff at home, like TV or DVD set-top box, you'll be able to do that, use it with that. But all in all, it's just a quick unboxing just to show you guys what this looks like. We'll be taking loads of pictures with this while we're away, and make sure you check them out on Instagram at GadgetsBoy and Twitter as well, and on GadgetsJon as well. But in the meantime, hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you guys in the next video. If this is your first time on the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell button as well to be one of the first people to know every time we release a new video, which could be a giveaway sometimes. You never know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.